If you work with fiber installation, maintenance, or network deployment, this one's for you. Hey, Garrett here, welcome back to our channel. Today, Jonard Tools is making accessing fibers in large microducts way easier with the Microduct Slitting Toolkit for 7mm to 20mm ducts, part number MS-DS3K. This kit gives you everything you need to cleanly slit open a wide range of microduct sizes without damaging the fibers or ducts inside. Let's hit the key points. Number 1, wide compatibility. It includes 3 magnetic cartridges, so you're covered for just about any job. Number 2, accurate and durable. An indicator line shows exactly where your blade is cutting, giving you precise slits every time. And those blades last up to 5,000 cuts. Number 3, easy cartridge swapping. The magnetic design means you can switch cartridges in seconds. No tools, no fuss, just snap and go. Number 4, compact and portable. The tool weighs under 6 ounces and even includes a tethering hole, making it perfect for tight spaces or on-the-go work. Everything comes neatly organized in a hard plastic case, keeping your tools protected and ready when you need them. And just like all Jonard MS series midspan tools, this one's built on a patented design that's earned multiple cabling, installation, and maintenance gold awards, so you know that it's top tier. That's the MS-DS3K Microduct Slitting Toolkit, built for precision, speed, and reliability in every fiber job. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to like, share, and comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and product launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.